News coming in right now. Fire engulfs a chemical unit of a Maharashtra factory. Explosion in a chemical unit that causes fire. 5 fire tenders have rushed to the spot. Many fear trapped in Dombivli factory. 4 ambulances stationed outside the factory. Small sporadic explosions from inside the factory that seem to have caused this fire. You can see the smoke, the black smoke, which is billowing from that chemical factory. Fire tenders have reached the spot. Ambulances are on standby as well. A fire which has engulfed the chemical unit of a Maharashtra factory. This is on the outskirts of Mumbai. An explosion in a chemical unit which has caused this fire. Let's watch this report from the ground.
मैं इस समय मौजूद हूँ महाराष्ट्र के डोंबिवली MIDC इलाके में, जहां आप देख सकते हैं कि भयानक आग लगी हुई है। ये आग एक अमुदान नामक कंपनी में विस्फोट के बाद लगी है, जिसके बाद आसपास के 3 से 4 कंपनियों को अपनी चपेट में ले लिया है। हुंडई का सर्विस सेंटर है, जहां पर आप देख सकते हैं कि कई गाड़ियां जलकर खाक हो चुकी है। इस आग के धमाके में कम से कम 8 लोगों के घायल होने की खबर है। फायर ब्रिगेड और बाकी के जो टीम है, पुलिस टीम या फायर ब्रिगेड टीम, इस आग पे काबू पाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आग की तीव्रता इतनी तेज है कि वो आग काबू में नहीं आ रही है। आसपास के इलाके की जो इमारतें हैं, आप देख सकते हैं, इन इमारतों की कांच पूरी तरह से टूट गए हैं। धमाका इतना तेज था कि 3 से 4 किलोमीटर तक इस धमाके की गूंज सुनाई दी। इस धमाके की गूंज 3 से 4 किलोमीटर तक सुनाई दी। आप देख सकते हैं कि आसपास की इमारतें जो हैं, ये पूरी तरह से कांच टूट चुके हैं। ये आग अभी भी कंट्रोल में नहीं आए। फायर ब्रिगेड की टीम जो है कड़ी मशक्कत कर रही है। मिथिलेश गुप्ता, कल्याण, आज तक।
Okay, so that is the report which has been filed by my colleague Mithilesh from the ground. Joining me over the phone line is Dev right now. Dev, what more can you tell us about the situation on the ground at present?
Follow me. This happened in the phase 2 of the Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. It's an industrial zone cum belt. The fire has spread to 2 other business units as well, including a car service center, Hyundai showroom cum service center. This happened around 1 approximately in the afternoon today. And also about 7 to 8 people have been injured. 4 ambulances were rushed to the spot. Nearly about half a dozen fire vehicles were there. So much so was the impact that from Thane, Ulhasnagar and Ambernath, fire brigade vans had to be rushed to the spot, including the water tankers. Also, what we know for now is that the fire brigade is having a very hard time controlling the fire, as this is a chemical factory, Amudan, which Mithilesh said. And also, since the chemical has been stored in smaller drums, there are intermittent blasts that are taking place nearly about every 5 to 10 minutes. So it is definitely very dangerous, and the injured have been rushed to the hospital. Also, one more thing is the fact that the areas around are also having to take in a different kind of an odor, because that has actually disrupted the smell in the area because of the smoke and the chemicals. There are different various colors that are seen emerging. Of course, while the fire brigade tries with all the firefighting techniques, also the glass panes and the glass windows in the adjoining areas of 3 to 4 kilometers radius have been shattered. Also, all the 4 roads leading to this company and the industrial belt have also been sort of cordoned off and have been shut. People have been advised not to go on that road until the smoke has been entirely come under control and the fire has been put out.
Okay.
So these are the kind of details that we have at this point in time, Follow me while we reach the spot.
Okay. Dev, they're tracking all those developments. Thank you so much for joining us.